sorry, 'cause he's lost his darling. There's one thing for him to recall. His eyes will shine brighter, his cares will be lighter from saying this cattle call. This cattle
you don't